Hi everyone, my name is Navdeep Kaur and I'm working in Trivedi overseas as an IELTS instructor. So today I'm here with you to share some unpopular opinion of IELTS. So first of all, as in our faculty, it's a kind of tradition that we as teachers appear in IELTS PTE after every year or two to see some new do's and don'ts or the new challenges that the students are facing while sitting in the examination hall. Now let's just start with it. So first of all, I will start from reading module. Yes, I do agree it's a kind of tricky module, but now the question comes, what type of the reading strategy should be preferred? So for that, I will say we all know that there are two main types. The first one is you read the passage, you move on to the questions, and the second one is you do not read the passage, you directly move on to the questions. So for that, both of the ways are accurate. But which one should be preferred? It depends upon your performance. So when you are practicing, you have to practice with both the ways. You have to analyze your performance by which type you are scoring the good marks. That is your type, and be a pro in it. The second thing I want to discuss is about the difficulty level of the passages. So there is often a concern raised by the students that first passage is easy and third one is difficult. I will totally deny that. It is nothing like that. Even the situation can be vice versa. But the motive of knowing the difficulty level of the passage is that obviously you would be attempting the easy one first. So for that, I would say read the title of the passage first, which is often ignored by the students. The third thing is time management. Time management, for that, students who are sitting in the examination hall feel so much pressurized because they would be running out of time and they are left with some questions. I would say do not panic in any situation when you are sitting in the examination hall or you are practicing. So you can tackle this situation in two ways. So the first one is try doing two passages only. Yes, it's right, because two passages would be around 29 questions and still you can score 6.5 bands. So rather running from one passage to third passage, do two passages only with full focus and concentration. And the second type would be try to do the question types first. We all know our weaknesses and strengths. So for that, I would say the questions that are a strength to you, attempt those one first and leave the difficult one for the later part. So these are some unpopular opinions that I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you will like it, and I'll be there with more videos for tips and tricks for you guys. Thank you so much.